You change the chunker. 3 answers look better, 2 look worse. So was it actually better overall? You genuinely don't know. You swap in a bigger embedding model. The demo questions ace it. Users report no change at all. Now what? That's vibes debugging, and it falls apart somewhere between 20 and 100 questions. The point where one human can't hold the whole evaluation in their head. Evaluating RAG is genuinely hard because failure hides in 2 completely independent places. Retrieval can fail or generation can fail, and the fixes are totally different, so you have to measure each one separately. Picture the pipeline. Question goes to the retriever, which returns top chunks. Those chunks plus the question go to the model, which writes the answer. Retrieval metrics ask one thing: did we pull the right chunks? The headline number is recall at k. Recall at k is the fraction of relevant chunks that made it into your top results. If recall at 5 is 60%, no amount of prompt engineering will save you. Sit with that. If the right chunk never gets retrieved, the model never sees the answer. Full stop. There's also MRR, which rewards putting the right chunk first, and hit rate, a course yes or no. Did any good chunk show up? Then generation metrics ask, given that context, was the answer any good? Faithfulness. Does the answer use only facts from the context, or did it hallucinate? Answer relevance. Did it actually address the question? And here's the subtle trap. A faithful answer can still be useless. Our refund window is 30 days is perfectly faithful and completely unhelpful if the user asked about shipping. So you need both columns. Great retrieval with a hallucinating model fails. Terrible retrieval where the model bluffs from training also fail. To measure at scale, you build a golden dataset. Triples, a question, the chunks that should be retrieved, and the answer an expert would write. And the number surprises everyone. You only need 50 to 100 of these to start. Few, but they have to be real. Sample real user queries from your logs. Have an expert answer them from the source. Bucket them by difficulty. Put it under version control. It's a test suite. But you can't hand grade 500 answers on every change, so you use an LLM-as-judge. And most teams get this wrong. They ask for a 1 to 5 star rating with no rubric. The model hands out force like candy, and your scores compress into noise. The fix is a structured rubric. Define each grade explicitly. Force the judge to output JSON and demand the list of unsupported claims. That last move is gold. A bare score tells you nothing. The list of violating claims turns a number into a debug trail. One warning: judges drift. A provider updates their model overnight, and your scores move with no change to your system. So pin a specific snapshot and keep 20 human-graded examples as a calibration set. Run it on every change. Block the merge if recall drops more than a few points. The goal isn't perfection. It's catching regressions before your users do. And when an answer is wrong, walk the pipeline in order. Most teams blame the prompt first. Usually it's retrieval.